Once upon a time, there were a race of creatures called culets. Culets were a happy bunch, all bright and shiny. The culets thought they had the perfect society, and it was hard to argue the point. They had wealth and privilege, and sheer overwhelming numbers. Then, one day, the fair princess who ruled over this kingdom made a surprising announcement to her subjects.
I have decided that it is our solemn duty to bring our infinite bounty to those less fortunate than us. Let us go forth then and spread our message. To the ignorant, to the primitive, to the ugly, I say to you, fear not, you will be saved.
And the culets rallied round her. It took some getting used to, but eventually they became downright militant about it. And that's when the problem started.
It's another perfect day in fabulous Utopia. Skies are sunny, not a cloud in the sky. Chance of rain? I don't think so. What's happening in news, Max?
Well, Maya, Operation Fresh Hope, the expansion into the provinces, couldn't be going any better. Negotiators are on the scene working out all the details. Local residents seem overjoyed by our boy's arrival. Everything is as right as rain. Oh, sorry, I know you don't like that expression, Maya.
Max.
In fact, a spokesman for the princess says that acceptance of the new regime is sitting at about 99.9%.
Why is there always the odd bad apple, Max?
I don't know, Maya, but you're right. There's always a malcontent.
Raze was his name. When he returned to his village to find it being saved, all he could do was stand there in shock and awe. Surprised and frightened, he looked first to the heavens. But there was no help there. Powerless to defend himself, he turned and fled, desperate for a place to hide. Fearing capture, Raze ran into the forest.
Hey, there's another one over there! Get him! Let's fill him full of love. Hey, where are you going? We're saving you from your horrible, icky ugliness! Coward doodle. I see some...
Surrounded, he ran deeper into the forest.
Come back! Trust us! This will only hurt for a minute!
By some quirk of fate, he stumbled into a cave that held an ancient artifact with very special powers. Powers that had no effect on most. But on Raze.
Whoa, easy. I'm not going to hurt you. Not that I could on the, keeper. I've been waiting a long time for you to come along. Look at you, quite the change, huh?
Ugly creature from the village? Are you in here?
So, you want me to show you how to get a little payback? Revenge is a good thing, trust me. That looked like fun. Want to learn some more tricks? Follow me. You've changed, and your connection with the plants and animals of the world has changed too. These plants have a power. Step on them. I have some skills of my own. I can mark the way for you, show you where to go. See it in your mind's eye. Your people have long used squibs as food, but now eat some, and you'll learn their true purpose. Can you feel their power?
Just come out here and we can... What the heck? Take cover! He's spitting some sort of bugs! How is he fighting back? They don't do that!
Feels good, eh? But you've been weakened by the battle. No problem. To regain your strength, simply inhale the giblets of dead Qlets. Hey, that rhymes. It's gross, but it's certainly effective. The rest of the evil little bastards are back in the village. All lead the way. You can go faster if you like. There it is. Let's see if you're a quick learner.
I'm on your side! Look at him run! Stop that! Stop that right now! They're not supposed to fight back! Hey! You're just supposed to die like the rest of the ugly things in your village!
Some of them have escaped your wrath, but don't worry, I know where they're going. We're in this together, you and I. I'll lead you to them, and you, well, you can kill them all. I'll take that for a yes. Yeah, it is pretty bleak. It's a waste sector, one of the most remote outposts. But they've been known to bring prisoners here at times. I don't know if any of your kind are here, or if any of them were left alive for that matter. But something was in that truck. You never know. Look, yellow squibs. Those will be helpful. Now, you have 2 different weapons. Let's find some Qlets. I'll show you a neat trick.
Deep out in the wasteland.
Yellow squibs and others you will encounter give you better sight and hearing. Come find me. I'll have another treat for you. Sneak up on this one. Go for the quiet kill. Sometimes the subtle approach works best. Or look ahead. suspected. They do have a prisoner just ahead. You free it, and I'll do some more scouting at the main camp further up.
Am I losing it? Or is that
So it's true. You have come. We will achieve great things together. You and I.
Forget him. Move on. There's more of them on the other side of that garbage masher. I've marked the generator that powers it. Destroy the generator and join me on the other side.
Now see bombing. Watching other things die. Is that a cute little dude there? Reacquire target. I could go. Eat me.
doors are locked. If you cause enough trouble down there, they will have to open them in order to send in reinforcements.
I've seen 8 years of duty in the wasteland. After a while, none of this crap bothers me. You stop it! Think I need it. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Oh, something now. I don't want that. Time for hand-to-hand combat. This was just my imagination. Yeah? Want some? You want some? I'm gonna take you down all by
We're done here. Let's take it to the next